Today we will be making a paper box. No tape, no staples, no glue will be needed when you make a paper box. You need regular printer paper, just regular printer paper. You only need one piece. Okay. First, fold this like a triangle. Make sure the crease is just making a triangle. You see? Just like this. Okay. Fold it down. Okay. Then, fold it just like this. You see that? Okay. And then, fold it up. Like this. And then do that one more time. Okay, then here comes the tricky part. Scissors are optional. You can use scissors to cut this, or you can rip it. My personal favorite is ripping. Okay, so just rip. Okay, then open it up, fold, and make triangles like this in, okay? Next, do the same thing on the other side. Then, fold it in. Make sure it's on this crease line. Okay. Then, turn it around, then do it like this. Then, fold it double side and fold it like this. Oh, just so you know, you fold it in like this, okay? Like this, and fold it in. Make sure these are lined up, okay? And then we continue and fold this down. This, all the corners, make sure 4 corners, and line it up like this and fold it down. Then line it up like this and fold it. Then do it on all the sides. Okay, then you see these? You take them and push them in and like that, just like that. And you fold this part. Okay, do the same thing with the other side. And fold that. And that's how you make a box. Thank you for watching.